Hey everyone, this is Avi Harkishin from Charts. Let's take a look at the indexes here today. So let's start with VIX. So yesterday, for those who follow my technical analysis and watch these videos, you'll know what I talked about yesterday. So I talked about VIX yesterday, and I said that VIX broke down from this symmetrical triangle, broke right through support, and now it's in the last point of support, pretty much, which you have target all the way down here to 1458 at the bottom here. So VIX is within this range here at the moment. So let's take a look at the daily chart for VIX. What I'm really looking for is to see what VIX is doing within this range, because the last time VIX was at the bottom here, you saw a little bit of rally. So it's within the support zone at the bottom. So one of the things I'm cautious with now, VIX could come down to 1458. It could reject off of 1743 if we move up a little bit and come back down. But we are in that support region where VIX tend to see some upside, as you can see. So I am cautious with the overall market at this point. If you're long anything and you're day trading, please take your profit. Do not, the longer you hold a position, especially if you're trading options, the longer you hold a position, the riskier it becomes at these level when VIX is at the bottom here. So I just want to caution you guys of that. Um, you want to see if you want to be bearish, you want to see VIX get rejected off of 1701 and 1743 and come back down a little bit more. With this daily close here, it's starting to seem like if VIX wants to move up a little bit, but it has broken support, and it's very likely VIX is going to drop towards that 1458 mark. It could get rejected off here and drop towards that 1458 mark. So we'll see. You look at the 2 hours, and VIX is trying to climb up a little bit. It's trying to cross over. It's getting a bit bullish here on the 2 hours. On the 4 hours, it wants to move up as well. So I am giving you caution. Whether or not VIX is going to pump a little bit, I don't know, but it's within support region. So what I'm saying is that if you're long, if you're trading options, know your levels, be careful. The levels here is 1701 and 1743. If VIX broke above those, then the next level is going to hit is this 1891, 1862 level over here. Let's take a look at SPY. So this is SPY daily. For me, personally speaking, the chart is still bullish. We're getting some bullish momentum here. Again, volume over here is a bit decent on today. So we are approaching all-time high. We're right here as of, let me see, we're trading at 612.53 after hours. So we're approaching all-time high tomorrow. Very likely we hit all-time high and pass it. But look to see how the stock react to all-time high, whether or not we're going to sell off from there or not. But the way it's set up right now, it doesn't look like it wants to. It looks like it wants to have a bit more upside. So as long as we're holding this 609 level, we can still see upside. If we break above 613, be careful, because what you don't want is a false breakout and back down. You want to see a retest of 613 and hold of 613, which is the all-time high, 613.23 before we move up. But it's still holding the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA, and above the 50 EMA on the daily for SPY. So levels we're watching here right now, these levels were resistance. They're now acting as a support. You had this breakout over here. You had this breakout and SPY continued to move up again. So let's look at QQQ. QQQ broke its resistance level right over here. Broke it completely today. Shot right above it. You're looking for a bullish continuation at this point for QQQ as well. Nothing is saying that the stock is bearish. It looks like it wants to continue to the upside. Levels I'm watching here is a hold of 539 to 540 on QQQ. That's all you're looking for, is the levels, to see what the stock is doing at key levels, what the volume price analysis is doing. Still looks like it wants to move a bit more. VIX looks like it wants to come down a little bit more, but VIX is getting a bit bullish, is trying to find support within support region. So be careful within these levels as well. IWM still looks like it wants to move up a little bit. It wants to break that 215 to 218 resistance level. These are very important levels. You want to see VIX break them. If it break them, you're going to see VIX at 230. Most likely is going to start moving up to towards that 230 area. IWM right here. GDX. GDX looks like it wants to move up a little bit. Dips are being bought up. It looks like it wants to hit that $54. If it could hit $54, you could see a bit more move to the upside with GDX. So just watch out for a break of this trend right over here, $54, and you can see move up towards $58 or so on gold or GDX. It's tracking gold. That's it so far for SPY. Just to jump in and show you another chart on SPY here. Here is SPY. If SPY can get above this 613 or all-time high, and it can hold that level, the next level you're looking for SPY is 621 level over here. So that's going to be the 621.34 level. You're looking for SPY if it could break and hold above 613 level. Yeah, that's it for the indexes for tonight, guys. Okay.